Hello traders, today is 6th of November, Wednesday 2019, and I would like to share with you today trade analysis. We had such a quite challenging London morning session. We haven't seen any big movement. We just basically managed on squeeze only few pips, but not that many. But the New York session was very fantastic. We squeezed nice juicy pips. All right, so just to recap, these are the intraday analysis with the live RD Sky support. As you can see on the left hand side is the analysis, and the right side is the trade taken based on this analysis. This analysis done yesterday, just when we closing our day, and we mentioned to look for the counter short trade at that level. And we explained that level through 4 hour. That is a powerful resistance area, and we mentioned even target profit, this big psychological number, only just few pips. So this morning before we analysis, we bank few pips. We open at two positions, and we bank some good pips on dollar yen today as a counter short trade, by the way. Pound yen, this is another beautiful trade just before London Open, and as you can see the price nicely hit to the resistance level. Bank such a beautiful pips on pound yen. Pound dollar, as you can see, this was the proper technical valid breakout trade, but we managed to get out as a break even. We haven't made any pips because price just refused it. Pound yen, this was a pretty straightforward. We had this trade breakout, bank some pips, and we mentioned, okay, after the breakout, obviously that's first priority. We're looking at pullback short, as mentioned on the analysis, but we haven't seen any red candle that give us the confidence the price is going to break, and we consider this one as a false breakout, and we took a long trade here, and we banked few more pips on pound yen today morning. Euro Swiss franc pretty straightforward. After this breakout, we were expecting a pullback short. As you can see, we haven't seen any red candle, and we took another long trade, but we managed to get out at the break even because price did not break this orange fib channel. Euro pound, again, this was the pretty straightforward breakout, but we managed to get out at the break even because price failed to break this orange fib channel. So you can see a few challenges we had this morning, and this was the consolidation breakout at the New York session. And you can see we had a nicely breakout and a few more pips on Aussie dollar and pound yen. This was the New York session analysis. We mentioned here, if you look at the price created another small consolidation. We mentioned to look for another short breakout. So we took another few more pips on dollar yen today. Euro yen pretty straightforward. We were waiting in the morning the price might going to break or respect, but at the New York session, as you can see around 2 p.m. London time, price nicely broke on this pattern, and we squeezed very nice good pips on euro yen. Pound dollar, as you can see, price nicely respected this orange fib channel. We were looking a perfect body up the channel in order to take a long trade, but price refused to break, and price nicely broken. After this broken, we also mentioned, look at the bottom, the momentum is bearish, and if after the breakout, as always, if the price respect, that's give us the confirmation of continuity of the trend. As you can see, the price nicely respected. We took another short trade scaling, and we banked some profit as soon as the price hit to the support, which is also supported by the fib channel. Or Euro USD pretty straightforward. This was the breakout small short trade, and New Zealand US dollar. And again, we had another small short trade. As you can see, the price nicely respected, and this triangle pattern, this resistance and beautiful short trade. As soon as the price hit to the yesterday low, we basically banked few pips on the US dollar. Pound Swiss franc, this was another beautiful trade. We explained this through live training that in the 4 hour there was a resistance level. As you can see, the price tried to break this level previously, rejected many times. And as long as just before London Open, New York session open, we took a short trade. And as you can see, price nicely broke on this pattern. We had a short trade, and we announced another scaling short trade based on the momentum. As always mentioned, if the price created, you can see here, respected and respected, we announced another scaling trade. and price nicely hit to the first target, which is the blue orange fib channel. Pound yen, this was the trade of the day. Beautiful short trade. As you can see, this was the triangle pattern. We were expecting breakout of this pattern just before, after the New York session open. We can see that we had such a beautiful breakout based on the momentum. We took a short trade and we mentioned as long as the momentum is bearish and price is stay below the orange EMA, any pullback will consider as a potential opportunity. As you can see, price nicely broke on the support area, and then we had announced another one short trade. So beautiful two short trades, actually three short trades on pound yen today. Dollar CAD pretty straightforward. This was the consolidation breakout, and after that breakout we announced another pullback short long trade. Euro Swiss franc, as we mentioned, when the price broke on this area and we took a long trade, we see some rejection. Then we announce, if you look at, because we always keep an eye, if there's a new pattern is performed, we broadcast straight away into the platform. As you can see, we mentioned that the price created another downside channel, so possibility of pullback short here. For the risk reward point of view, you can see it was a very good trade, and because we see the price nicely respected this orange EMA and respected this resistance, and we took a short trade, and our first target, as always, B is the first fib channel, and as you can see the price nicely respected to the support level, and we announced to bank some profit on Euro USD. All right, guys, that's it. And if you would like to see all this analysis in real time with a live audio SCAG support, feel free to join our team at forexeasytrades.com. And thank you for watching this video. I'll come back tomorrow with another analysis. Bye bye.